Overlook. Producer.
Fresh like water. Fresh like water. Sing a song, man.
Hi guys,
I'm Jay.
and I'm Nayoka.
And welcome to.
Cheers.
Oh.
Hi guys, I'm not going to say my name after though.
Yeah.
I'm
Like, you just
Nayoka.
say hi guys.
1, 2, 3 action.
Hi guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Nayoka.
And welcome to.
Are you feel say cheers and
Scratch.
Good.
Alright, so you guys always been asking me where Jay is. Where is he in the videos?
Been busy. Been working.
He's been working, but this is my brother. For all the new subscribers, I appreciate you guys. Welcome to Chairs and Benches. This video will help you to get to know me a little bit more and my brother. So
Yeah.
I decided to do a sibling tag. So I posted on Instagram and asked you guys to ask us the questions that you want to know about us. And you guys asked a bunch of questions. I'm gonna just go through a couple of them. To make this video a little bit more interesting, we're gonna rate some of our childhood photos. Oh gosh. We're gonna rate some of yeah, I really cringe how I looked as a child, so this is special for you guys.
Feelings mutual, man.
And before we go any further, I want to big up Angela. She's a Jamaican that lives here in Nova Scotia. So this is her shirt.
Sick. It's
Yeah, excuse my attitude because I'm Jamaican. So her business name, her business name is Fray. That's so cool. She has an online store here in Nova Scotia. So I'll be adding all her information in the description, and also I'll be showing her business card at the end of this video. So you guys got to go check her out. Local business. We need to support each other. So let's do it. Especially she's Jamaican. We're grinding out here. Alright, so the first question that you guys asked was, what is the age difference? You want to answer that one? That's pretty easy. Yeah. So we're 3 years apart, or 2.5.
Still looking like twins, boy.
Yeah, there's like a little age gap.
Yeah.
So who is the older one? They must want to know who is the older one.
You're
So I'm the older one and he's the younger one. So we're 2.5 years apart, or just call it 3 years.
Even though you don't know.
You look a little bit older. Who tell you that?
Everybody tell me.
I don't like much of my baby pictures, but this is one of my favorite pictures. So this is me and my dad. He was a little thick thing, young ones right here, so.
Fresh.
And me.
See there? Look just like him. Cut. Clean. You see me?
And this time, me alone did exist at this point.
Hey.
My foot bent up.
But it exists.
I don't know where it is.
Somewhere.
Somewhere. One thing valuable you both learned from your parents. I can drink for this one while I think.
Don't give up.
Don't give up?
Yeah. We always kind of like try for do better. In a certain aspect. Like we never settle for less.
Yeah.
We always try for excellence.
Yeah, we always try to be better. Like there's always another level. So them teach us that. Another thing what them always engrave in our mind from we're kids is to be a leader.
Yeah.
Like if somebody do something and we like
hard
it,
boy, we get that hard.
and we like it,
Follow
we can't follow people. We have to be a leader.
No,
Like being a leader
yes.
was very important.
Yep. Try to forget your own.
Yeah.
Like
Focus
set your own
directly
path.
on us. Sometimes people get us confused though.
Yeah.
But we're really just doing us, like
That's true.
legit. So that's
Don't
a
worry.
valuable lesson.
Don't worry, it's not you.
It's not you, it's us. Definitely. The battle is between us.
Yeah.
Bro,
Bruh.
you're in a basic school.
Bruh. That was actually prep school. That was
Oh, prep
actually
school?
prep school. Yeah.
What's the uniform, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, so this is when they're in a prep school. They can look on him face. You can look on him face and see say him in the rude. Next question was, would you take a bullet for your bro or sis? Ooh, be honest.
Would I take a bullet? I will definitely take a bullet.
Aww.
That's for sure. If I
Aww.
was in a situation to take a bullet, I'll definitely take a bullet. Because I know I can handle it. Yeah, I know
You can handle it?
No, I could recover. I can't stand seeing her recover. Alright? So I know I could recover easier. I feel like I could recover. You know, I could deal with the pain and the I wouldn't want to see it like that.
Aww.
So,
But you make it sound like the bullet can't kill me though.
no, if it kill me, it kill me. I'm not thinking about death. I'm thinking about recovery.
Life over it always.
Simple.
I feel like say I would have taken a bullet too, but life gets a little bit complicated right about now.
So you wouldn't take a bullet?
Me not take a bullet,
You
but
wouldn't
me
take
I
a
try
bullet.
explain.
No.
Me I try explain something.
No, I was pretty straightforward and said I'll take a bullet, and she's telling me she won't take a bullet. So it's okay.
Would I
She
take
won't
a
take
bullet?
for me.
You not even make me finish the question though.
Okay, go ahead.
Finish answer. So straight up until about last 2 years, me da take a bullet, but me da still take a bullet.
Oh, Sky. She has a daughter. Okay, so she wouldn't take a bullet for me. I would still take a bullet.
Me da take a bullet. This is a hard question. We not take no bullet. We are live.
We not
on,
take
we
no
are
bullet.
live
No bullet
forever.
now, you
Yeah. What's a sibling rivalry that you guys both have?
Rivalry.
Yeah. Even from childhood.
Rivalry. Alright. Let me explain something. She's 3 years older. She's almost like a mother figure to me. So I'm not looking at her like it's a rivalry. It's more motivation than rivalry. Right?
Yeah. I can't really recall a time that we ever actually
If
have.
I'm wrong, she tell me I'm wrong. If she's wrong, I tell her she's wrong. We don't have rivalries. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That's kind of out of the picture.
Yeah, I know. So from when young, I think, I don't know if
Would I protect what else?
Yeah.
It would get
we
stopped.
would I get in more trouble if
Yeah.
we actually
Kept on malice.
kept on malice. Like would I get in way more trouble if we actually fight. So it would have been better for be friends, and plus it seemed like it be only natural. So
And as a man,
Oh shoot.
what you do?
why?
Never did a video.
Huh?
Never did a video.
It's,
None at all? From the start?
Shoot.
You couldn't. I'm gonna fire. You record no?
Very good. Start recording.
From which part? From the beginning.
Read this one.
Hmm?
Read this one.
Huh.
A joke, man. Just do that TV video. Ready up.
We never really want to post a picture here, but this is when we're in prep school. We know PE uniform.
Look at this. Somebody come
And I was
look
like
at
a tick thing.
Look at this.
Like when I was younger.
Somebody
so.
come and look at this. Look at this.
So the next question that the next person asked was, what's the main difference between you guys? The main difference. Other than say we have
she's a male.
yeah.
Oh.
She's a male.
Sorry.
No, something else. Scratch that. This is sorry. I'm a
Oh.
wait.
Why?
What? This is so real. The tears are Shaun?
Oh my
Coming.
God.
No.
No. Alright guys. The only difference what me can really think about is the fact that me love fish and you hate fish.
I don't mess with this.
Like
I
I love seafood. Like
had
seafood
bad
would have been
experiences as a child. I threw.
like I could have lived on seafood, honestly. Like I could have just cut out chicken.
Actually,
altogether.
the only time I eat seafood is when I go to the beach and you get the fresh fish that is fried. You don't get that extraness of the fish that is like
raw, you know, like the
and
smell.
like stew and like stuff like that. I can't stand it. But fried fish from the beach, I'll eat.
Jamaica,
Yeah.
specific.
Yeah.
Who is more fashionable?
I have to give it. I like to dress. I really like to dress, but I don't. It's not on the forefront. So I know that it's a go-to.
part, yeah.
It's a part of her. So
Yeah.
it's male, female. You know.
Yeah, like a woman probably.
I
would be-
can't compete with that. She can dress me every day of the year. I
Oh,
can't.
shit.
You know what I mean?
This is like a very sentimental video. I'll keep this video for the rest of my life. Okay? I think you have a pretty good fashion sense too because he keeps up with the trend same way, like he knows what's trending.
Yeah,
and most times, sometimes I end up dressed alike sometimes.
And people think it's weird.
Yeah, like
but
we never actually plan the outfit and then we show up and then we have on the same color and a similar outfit that
Everybody
just kind of match
twinning.
and we're like, okay then. Alright, so this picture, we did go Disney. We did it at the airport.
It's in person.
Yeah, we did at the airport right here, so you're still now looking at the camera. Yeah, do something mischievous again. This summer, how him used to behave, like him used to just always not be a good child. Why did he say so? What is your favorite childhood memory?
Ooh. Disney. I was too young. I could remember Disney. I could remember Montreal.
Yeah.
There's so many. We couldn't remember Dolphin Cove.
Yeah,
we couldn't remember.
pretty much the whole of our childhood was.
It was
right beside
exciting.
each other. Yeah.
It was so many different memories.
Disney World was a major one because it was Disney World. Maybe when we start clubbing on that day. Oh, is this
This she used to take me out. She used to take me out. Can't say the age.
Yeah, but we used to go out.
We used to go. She took me out. She didn't let me stay home. I had to go.
Where I'm going, he's going.
She dressed
so.
me. I tell you, she's like a mom kind of boy.
Not really by age.
Bad mom.
Look.
Tomboy. Boy, yeah, tomboy.
Look at
Right,
this.
so
Somebody
we're
come look at
Disney
this.
again, my
Look
fear
at this.
drape you.
Somebody come and look at this.
Enough pictures.
Look at this.
Enough pictures on my protect me, I fear drape you up. Like, run you down and you need to take the picture. I always do the sign when you think that they cool. Like every picture when we're younger, we do the peace sign. The next one is list 5 words that describe how the other makes you feel. 5 words is a lot, guys. He is very. Why is this so hard?
That's bad.
5 words. No, it's not bad. Money even find 5 proper words. How he make me feel? He make me feel proud. He make me feel special, appreciated, especially in this video as you guys hear all the response, you know, him gassing me up my head.
Okay, you want me to talk?
You can talk. Maybe I have discovered
You don't have the words. You don't have the words. I probably don't have 5 words, but she made me feel motivated.
Yeah, that's a good word. Yeah, motivated is a good word. Yeah.
Let me feel respected. She respects me. Okay. What's it? What else? Run with the words.
The last 4 words.
All together, that's 5.
Yeah?
Together,
2 always
that's
together,
5.
that's 5. Alright, together,
Okay.
that's 5.
We made 5.
them time there was a McDonald's at Portmore and you see the finger them?
Wait, peace? Still
Yeah,
peace?
always I show the peace sign because we think that they cool. And the hairstyle them time that was a bad hairstyle, you know.
Wacky did about them time, right? Wacky, Mr. Wacky is so everybody.
Yeah. What was y'all childhood punishment?
You ever punish me?
That's his childhood punishment.
I always get punished to take my book. It's
Ooh,
always to
read a
go
book.
home, to go up and read a book. When I'm mischievous, I have to read a book. Why I have to read a book? I don't know. I like to play. I don't like to read. Most Jamaican parents do it. Go take a book.
Other than getting like a little, which is not for YouTube, my punishment would have be like if I want to get from my parents' good side, me just clean and do all of my chores.
Clean it.
Yeah,
Cleaning.
What do you guys like most? Like or dislike most about each other?
Oh, that's so deep.
Yeah, that's a deep question.
Why y'all trying to figure us out?
Yeah,
Why y'all trying to figure us out?
what I like most is that you're always willing to grow. Sometimes it don't really depend on the speed when I want it for me. But him grow. What I dislike it would have still depend on the same topic is that him love take risk, like unnecessary risk. Like you notice something wrong and you still go ahead and risk it. Like me not take
The way how
risk.
I see it, 7 out of 10. You always get 70%. That's how I see it.
And so you live your life.
You have to live a little bit more than 50.
So that's the only thing I'm dislike is I can take a little bit too much risk. But you're getting older, so the risk will decline with age, right? That's what usually happens.
Well.
You need to answer the question, what you like and dislike.
What I like, motivated, always looking to do better. I don't need to dislike why would I see somebody and dislike something about them? But alright, Mama find something I like. I'm gonna like boy.
No, you never tell me yet. No, it's a good time to share.
I'm gonna like boy. What the hell?
You not dislike it.
No, this. She bought me up. We don't really live together like that, so every moment that I spend is appreciated. There's nothing that I find that I dislike. I don't pretty negative.
But maybe when we was a kid, like when we were children.
Yeah, she sat on me. I was a kid. Like she used to sit on me when I used to give trouble.
So the next one is, do you guys like the same music?
Yeah.
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 I would have said so.
Yeah.
I am a lover of music. I'm gonna think you too.
Every genre except
like hard
metal.
Yeah. That out of the picture.
Some country music, some R&B, some most reggae,
dancehall.
most dancehall.
Yeah.
We listen to, but you know, culture is culture, so we listen to mainly reggae and hip hop sometimes.
Yeah, so dancehall, hip hop, and
R&B.
reggae would have been on the top, and
Yeah.
R&B, and then everything else is like kind of less. But music is music. Music is a free expression. Yeah. Music is actually really
good beat,
Yeah.
good rhythm, good vibe.
Yeah, we love music. We usually
From
bust
jump.
the speaker.
We used to do karaoke before karaoke was a thing.
Yeah.
Karaoke.
Nice.
Yeah, but it's nice. I'm not gonna do that for the internet. I can't sing. Which parent was a strict one? You know, I rat out your parents.
Hey.
Hey. My mama.
My papa.
Daddy wasn't strict.
Daddy wasn't strict.
He wasn't strict at all. Yeah, it's sarcastic in the
I don't
strict.
know.
Mommy did more strict.
Not to me.
No, but in general.
I didn't have no strict parent.
Yeah, they're never really strict, but the ones who would have like said, don't put that tattoo, don't pierce your ears.
Both of them.
Don't go out.
Both of them. My mom didn't want me to pierce my ears. I did it anyway. But
I would have said mommy was a strict parent. She did more hard on me, for whatever reason, I'm not quite sure. But she was definitely...
Pops was a cool kid.
Yeah.
He was cool.
So who was the rebel? Him did just bad. Like me, they always I try to be a good child all my life. I kind of have like an attitude, but otherwise
Insert
good child.
pictures.
Him always rude, like him just jump off the walls or something. Like always I do something over the top. And him always I try to beat up big man.
Stop lying. Fight.
Ready for
But
fight.
guess what? I never initiate none of those fights. You get what I'm saying?
No, but a typical young baby boy now go see a big tough terrific man and I try to fight him.
God, tell me why. Tell me why she is trying to hug a dog on the TV.
Bruh.
But you think say it was a cool idea, but it not reflect.
It's not at all.
Yeah, so me do think say it would have been cool for just a hug the dog or show up on the TV.
But the dog didn't even cheaty. That's too embarrassing.
Yeah, it was.
This video is really
We
embarrassing.
need to get at least 200 likes for this video because I really share all. Like I don't even show these to my best friends.
Oh my God.
Like nobody ever seen these pictures. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So you guys have to give me 200 likes, share this video. I know it's rare to see, siblings living loving. Make it look like we're loving now.
We're loving. What
I
you
think
want?
so.
Dog.
Alright guys, so as I told you guys before, in the beginning, I got this shirt from Fray, That's So Cool online store. She's a local business owner. So she makes custom made t-shirt, hats, bags, whatever you want to customize, you can link her. I'll have all her business information in the description below. She has an online website, so you guys can easily order your products through her website. She also has an Amazon store, and she has her number in the description. So for Jamaica Day, you know, we always come out in her fits. We can get her custom made t-shirts like the one I have on. So she's very creative. She's able to make anything custom, and she also has her own designs that's on the website. So just check out her website, and please tell her that Nayoka sent you guys, okay?